Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and success while others struggle? The answer, my friends, is not as elusive as it might appear. It lies in the profound power of wealth and success. But what does this power truly represent? It's not just about the opulence of material possessions or the prestige of social status. Rather, it's about the freedom to live life on your own terms, to shape your own destiny. At the core of this power is the mindset. The thoughts you nurture, the beliefs you hold deep within, they are the architects of your reality. Positive thinking, unwavering belief in your capabilities, these are the cornerstones of a mindset attuned to wealth and success. When you believe, truly believe you can achieve, the world starts to shift in your favor. The secret lies in their way of thinking, their mindset. The law of attraction states that you attract what you think about. It's a principle as old as time, yet it's often overlooked. But what does it mean? Simply put, it's the idea that our thoughts, both conscious and subconscious, dictate the reality of our lives. Imagine your mind as a magnet, pulling towards it whatever it's focused on. If you're constantly dwelling on negative thoughts, you're inadvertently attracting more negativity into your life. Conversely, if your mind is filled with positive, optimistic thoughts, you're likely to attract positive experiences and opportunities. Now let's delve a little deeper into this concept. Picture your ideal life, the wealth and success you desire. According to the law of attraction, by focusing on these positive aspirations and truly believing in them, you're setting yourself up to achieve them. You're essentially programming your mind to work towards these goals, attracting opportunities that align with them. But it's not just about wishful thinking. The law of attraction requires an active, conscious effort to maintain a positive mindset. It's about replacing thoughts of doubt and fear with confidence and ambition. It's about envisioning your success and wealth as if they're already a reality, and allowing this belief to guide your actions. Think of it like this: your thoughts are seeds. Positive thoughts will grow into beautiful, blooming plants, while negative thoughts will only produce weeds. So it's crucial to nurture your mind with positivity, to allow for the growth of wealth and success. But remember, the law of attraction is not a magic wand. It's a tool, a mindset that can help steer your life towards your desired outcomes. It's not about sitting back and waiting for wealth to fall into your lap. It's about using your thoughts to guide your actions, to make choices that will lead you towards success. So, think wisely, think positively, and believe in your ability to achieve. Let your thoughts be a beacon, guiding you towards the wealth and success you desire. Your thoughts have power, so use them wisely. Scene script. Visualizing your goals can help you achieve them. Let's delve into this notion a bit more. Visualization. What is it? Well, in the simplest terms, it's the act of imagining yourself achieving your goals. It's creating a mental image of your success, your wealth, your dreams. You see, our brains are incredibly powerful tools. They have the ability to create vivid, intricate images that can feel just as real as the physical world around us. So, how does this play into wealth and success? Let's think about it. When you visualize your goals, you're essentially programming your brain to recognize the resources, the opportunities, and the pathways that you need to achieve those goals. You're creating a roadmap for success in your mind. Consider a professional athlete. Before a big game, they don't just physically train. They mentally rehearse their moves. They visualize the game, the win. They see themselves standing victorious at the end. This mental practice is just as important as the physical. It boosts their confidence, it keeps them focused, and it prepares them for the real thing. The same principle applies to wealth and success. When you visualize your financial goals, your professional achievements, you're not just daydreaming. You're mentally preparing yourself for the journey, for the challenges, and for the victories. You're setting yourself up for success. But here's the key. You must believe in the images you're creating. You must believe in your ability to achieve your goals. If you don't, your brain will recognize this doubt and it will hold you back. So have faith in your visions. Have faith in your capabilities. Now I want you to take a moment, close your eyes. Picture your goals, your success, your wealth. See it in vivid detail. Feel the emotions. Experience the triumph. Imprint this image in your mind. Carry it with you. Let it guide you. And remember, visualization isn't just about seeing. It's about believing and achieving. You're not just imagining your success, you're paving the way for it. See it, believe it, achieve it. Thoughts alone are not enough. You need to take action. Let's unravel this statement a bit further. You see, action is the bridge that connects our dreams to reality. It's the vehicle that propels our thoughts from the realm of imagination into the tangible world. Imagine you're on one side of a wide river, and on the other side is the wealth and success you desire. Thoughts and dreams are like the blueprint for a bridge, a necessary first step. But without action, that bridge remains an unfulfilled idea, a mere sketch on paper. It's action that transforms that blueprint into a sturdy, walkable bridge, allowing you to cross the river to the other side. Indeed, action is the catalyst in the alchemical process of turning dreams into reality. It's the difference between a seed and a tree, between an idea and an invention, between a dreamer and a doer. It's the key that unlocks the door to wealth and success. Consider the world's self-made millionaires and billionaires. Their wealth didn't magically appear out of thin air. They didn't just sit around dreaming about money. No, they took action. They worked tirelessly, relentlessly, often against steep odds, to bring their dreams to life. Taking action can be challenging, no doubt. It involves risk. It involves stepping out of our comfort zones. It involves the possibility of failure. But remember, every failure is simply a stepping stone towards success, a lesson to be learned, a signpost pointing us in the right direction. So, don't just dream about wealth and success. Don't just visualize it. Don't just talk about it. Do something about it. Take action. Start small if you have to, but start. Take that first step. Then take another, and another. Keep moving, keep pushing, keep striving, because at the end of the day, action is the key to turning your dreams into reality. It's the fuel that powers the engine of success. It's the magic ingredient that transforms thoughts into wealth. So don't just think and dream, act. Action is the key to turning your dreams into reality. Persistence is the key to success. A simple phrase, yet it holds an ocean's depth of truth. The path to our goals, whether it be wealth, success, or personal growth, is often strewn with challenges. These challenges are not meant to deter us, but rather to strengthen our resolve. Persistence is the compass that guides us through the storm of adversity and into the calm waters of accomplishment. It is the unwavering determination that fuels our journey towards our goals, even when the odds seem stacked against us. Persistence is the silent warrior that battles the demons of doubt, fear, and failure, pushing us forward towards our desired destination. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, the man who illuminated our world with the invention of the electric light bulb. It was not an overnight success. He faced thousands of unsuccessful attempts before he could bring his vision to light. But he did not falter. He did not waver. His persistence in the face of failure led him to one of the greatest inventions of all time. Or take the example of J.K. Rowling, the mastermind behind the Harry Potter series. Before she enchanted the world with her magical tales, she faced rejection from 12 different publishers. But she didn't let these rejections dampen her spirit. She persisted, believing in her story and her ability to tell it. And the rest, as we know, is history. These examples are not unique. The annals of history are filled with tales of individuals who, through their persistent efforts, managed to turn their dreams into reality. They faced the same challenges, the same obstacles, the same failures that we all do. But what set them apart was their persistence. So remember, when the road gets tough, when the journey seems impossible, when the mountain seems too high to climb, persistence is the key. It is the fire that keeps us moving, the light that guides our path, the strength that pushes us to keep going. Because at the end of the day, it is persistence and persistence alone that turns failures into successes. Wealth and success are within your reach. It's a journey that begins in the mind with a shift in your mindset. Harnessing the law of attraction, you can draw prosperity towards you like a magnet. But it's not just about thinking, it's about seeing. Visualization is your roadmap, your blueprint for success. It's about painting a vivid picture of your future in your mind's eye, and then stepping into that picture. And of course, none of this comes to fruition without action. It's the bridge between your dreams and reality. It's the vehicle that drives you from where you are to where you want to be. And above all, persistence is key. It's about staying the course, weathering the storms, and keeping your eyes fixed on the prize. Remember, your thoughts have power. Use them wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.